We see the market shifting rapidly towards electric equipment, whether people are replacing sit-down LP trucks with similar sit-down electric trucks, or even moving into a variety of equipment like stand-up counterbalance or reach trucks. The trend continues to rise. We'll definitely be seeing more and more electrics in the field.
Electric. It's electric, and that's why we're here. We're standing in front of the new product. It is electric. When we go to market, whether it's a one truck opportunity or 100 truck opportunity, we always bring in electric quotes. And whether it is your standard flooded battery, or we bring in, now we can bring in the lithium ion product, the client might say, I'm not interested. And we're like, I know you're not interested and you want to be conventional with LP gas, but let us explain the advantages to it.
Material handling trends today are pretty interesting. The industry is evolving from the internal combustion truck to the electric truck. Lithium-ion batteries are becoming more and more prevalent, and UniCarriers is doing a really nice job designing their product and pivoting the concept from IC to electric to give us a great product that mimics the reliability that we had in our IC product.